Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to this second video on AI search in ServiceNow. In the first video, we stayed mostly at the concept level. So please go and watch that video. There you will understand each and every component of AI search. Without that, this video has no meaning. Okay? So in that video, we looked at what AI search is, why ServiceNow replaced the older keyword-based search, and the four main building blocks of ServiceNow AI search. That is the index source, and search profile. Along with that, we understood how these building blocks are related to each other. Okay, so please watch that video. In this video, we are going to stay completely hands-on. We will start from a working AI search setup for knowledge articles that I will show you. And then I will extend it so that exact same search box can also return the catalog items. Very exciting. So please watch the video till the end. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Before you move forward, I have a good news for you. In my Udemy account, I have added few new courses. You can see we already have Discovery course, which is much more viral. And now I have added a complete CSTM and CMDB course. Okay, this course provides you comprehensive learning of CMDB with PDI, and then based on that, we are discussing CSTM, how to implement CSTM, everything related to it. Okay, so go and check it out. Along with that, the new course is how to import data in ServiceNow. I am sharing n number of ways here, starting from the basics to the web services, to the scripting, to the mid server. All these are targeting to load data in ServiceNow. A complete scenario-based course that will give you immense learning in a story-driven, in a scenario-driven, real-time implementation experience. So check it out, okay? So now let's continue with the session. So now let me go to the knowledge home. Okay, this is the knowledge home. Let me find out, or let me search something, let's say laptop. So you see total 29 results are coming here. And all these are only knowledge articles. In this knowledge portal, the AI search is already enabled. This portal is pointing to a search application configuration, which is known as KB demo portal config. Let me show you that. So this is my knowledge portal. At the bottom, you see on this one, AI search is enabled. And you see, this is the application configuration which I have created for knowledge articles. KB demo portal config. So this is how the search is happening here. And if I go deeper, this particular search application configuration is further using the AI search profile, which is created by me. Let me show you that. Go to application, open the search profiles. So this is the search profile, KB demo profile. Let me open it. So this particular search profile, what is the search profile? You already know from the first video, okay? This is published and this is using the search source as all knowledge article. Let me open this search source. This is my search source. It is having the index source as knowledge table. Okay, how these things are related, you already know now. So now let me go to this index source as well, so that you see the table which are indexed. Open record. You can see here, this is the index source. The source table is knowledge. That is our knowledge table. And at the bottom, you see the condition here. If you scroll down, you see all the child table with this particular index source. Along with that, you see the history of indexing. So I clicked on index all my table, and this has run about 3 years ago when I started this particular configuration. Okay, so this is my complete setup, which I have shown you with respect to this portal. So now again, a valid question comes to our mind that how do we know that this particular portal is using what we have configured? You can also see that everything is related now. Okay, but let me show you one more thing. Let me go to the profile. Open the profile. This is my profile. Scroll to the bottom, select this one, search source, and unlink it. Okay, so this is unlinked. There is no search source now with that particular search profile. Now publish it. So search profile is published without any search source, right? Now come here, reload it or go to home. Now again search the same thing, laptop. You can see there is nothing coming. It means you know what it means. Okay, so now let me again link this, link to the existing one. This is the one, right? Click on submit. Now publish it. Now it will work fine. Again come back, search the same. You will see the 29 results again. Okay, so this is it. Now we will do the same thing for catalog items. I want to see the catalog items also in this. Okay, so now let me start the configuration. So ladies and gentlemen, now we know that our current setup is for knowledge only, right? The first thing we need to create for catalog is an indexed source. If you remember from the first video, that an index source tells AI search which table to index and which record from that table should be searchable. So in our case, we want to index catalog items from the SC cat item tables, that is service catalog table. So now I will go to index sources. This is the index sources. Click on it. Here you will find all type of index sources. So now to create the one for catalog, let me click on new. Provide the name as demo catalog item. Okay. Select the source as catalog item. It is strange that I cannot find the catalog item table. Can you tell me why? Because there has been already an index source already created out of box for that. So let me find that one. Click on index source again. Leave this and let's find source table is catalog item. So you can see here we have the catalog item table already present here. That's why when I'm creating a new index source, it is not allowing me, because in this index source table, there should be only, or there must be only one index source, and which is already present. Okay, so let me open this one. You can see this is the index source. This is the source table here. If you come to the bottom, you can see all the child tables which are already present. You can see the indexing history, when the last indexing happened. So it happened around 4 hours ago. Okay, so it is fine for us. So now in next step, instead of creating a brand new source, we are going to reuse the same existing index source, which you are seeing already, which is already active and indexing is happening here. Okay, so this is fine for us. So now that we already have the index source here, let me see in the search sources whether we have any search source with respect to catalog item or not. I see various index sources, so let me short it here. Yes, for catalog item, we already have a search source available. Click on it. You can see the name is available. This is the index source. The same index source is being used. You can see the condition: active is true, no search is false, and category should not be empty. Okay, so this is fine condition. So now that we already have the search source here, which is for catalog item, we now go and search in the search profile. So this is the search profile which we already created for knowledge article. I already have shown you. So now what we have to do here, we just have to scroll down and link the search source here, the same search source for catalog item. So click on link existing. Find for catalog item. Okay, this is the one. Select it. Then click on submit. So now you see we have the both available, knowledge article as well as catalog item. Now we have to publish it. It is published now. Now again come to this portal, knowledge portal. Go back or reload. Now if I search the same term here, that is laptop, let's see what will come. You can see here, we have both the things available. Catalog item is coming, knowledge articles are coming, okay? So this is how we configure the complete AI search. I have explained you each and every term. I have explained you the complete workflow. So now it is your responsibility to create all these things from scratch one by one and then do the demo for yourself. So ladies and gentlemen, this is it for this video. I will come up with more such things with respect to, AI. Okay. Just wait and watch. Thank you so much. Subscribe and share.